Day, future nurses, and now let's proceed to our discussion in terms of your information technology and community health. Information technology has transformed the way healthcare is delivered, particularly in community settings. It allows for faster and more efficient communications, easier access to accurate health data, and improved coordinations between healthcare providers, patients, and other healthcare provider and other stakeholders. By integrating IT into the healthcare system, decision making is more informed, disease surveillance and reporting are enhanced, and health educations can reach wider audience through digital means. Furthermore, digital platforms such as telehealth, mobile applications, and online health records help bridge the gap between the urban and rural areas, ensuring that every remote communities have access to timely and equitable health services. Overall, IT serve as a powerful tool in strengthening community health system and promoting better health outcomes for all. The integration of IT or information technology in public health has greatly improved the ability to collect, analyze, and share health data efficiently, leading to better decision making and service delivery. Nurses play a vital role in adopting and implementing e-health technologies within community settings, using digital tools to enhance communications, monitor health outcomes, and support patient care. So, understanding the role of IT equips nurses to provide quality, data-driven, and patient-centered care that responds effectively to communities' need. The growing use of telehealth, mobile health applications, and electronic health records ensures that continuity of care, particularly in remote and undeserved areas where access to health facilities may be limited. So, this digital transformation strengthened the reach, efficiency, and equity of healthcare services at the community level. E-health refers to the use of information and communication technologies to improve the delivery, management, and monitoring health services. According to World Health Organizations, e-health includes three main components: storage, retrieval, and transmittal of health informations. Storage involves the electronic recording and organizations of patient data, medical histories, and other health-related or health records for easy access and secure management. Retrieval allows healthcare providers to access and review these informations to support accurate decision-making and ensure continuity of care. And transmittal focuses on the secure sharing and transferring of health data between healthcare professional, institution, and system to promote coordinated and efficient services. Altogether, these elements make e-health a vital tool in modern healthcare, enhancing the accessibility, accuracy, and collaborations among healthcare providers while improving overall patients' outcome. Power of data informations lies its ability to guide evidence-based decision-making and improves the overall effectiveness of health programs. Accurate and timely data enable healthcare professionals to track diseases, respond to outbreaks, and monitor health trends within communities. By analyzing these informations, nurses and health planners can allocate sources or resources more efficiently, evaluate the success of interventions, and identify areas needing improvement. Data integrations across health systems also promotes transparency and accountability, ensuring that services are responsive to the real needs of the populations. Moreover, the use of data analytics allows for predictive modeling, helping prevent diseases before they spread and improving long-term health outcomes. In community health nursing, harnessing the power of data ensures that care is informed, proactive, and focused on achieving sustainable health impacts. The Department of Health promotes the Philippines e-health strategic framework and plan to strengthen the country's health system through the digital transformations. These frameworks emphasize key initiatives such as Philippine Health Information Exchange, which facilitates secure data sharing among healthcare providers. Telemedicine and e-consult program, which expands access to medical services, especially in the remote areas, and the implementations of electronic medical records system in local health facilities to improve continuity and quality of care. Despite notable process or progress, such as the increasing adoption of digital health system in rural health units and barangay health centers, challenges remain, including infrastructure limitation, inconsistent internet connectivity, data privacy concern, and the need for continuous workforce training. Overall, the Philippine e-health strategic framework and plan serve as a vital roadmap for achieving an efficient, equitable, and technology-enabled healthcare delivery system in the Philippines. Using e-health in the community transform how the healthcare services are delivered and accessed. Through the telehealth, patients can receive remote consultations and follow-ups, reducing the travel time and improving access to medical care, especially in undeserved areas. Mobile health applications are valuable tools for monitoring maternal health, managing chronic diseases, and tracking vaccination schedules, empowering individuals to take an active role in their well-being. Health information system enhance data collections, analysis, and reporting, enabling evidence-based decision-making at the local level. Additionally, social media platforms and online campaigns may play a crucial role in disseminating health educations and promoting healthy behavior within the communities. Finally, community data dashboards support local health monitoring and guide policymakers in designing targeted and effective health interventions. Telehealth for remote consultations and follow-up. Telehealth refers to the use of communication technologies such as video conferencing, mobile applications, and online messaging to deliver healthcare services remotely. It enables virtual consultations between patients and healthcare providers, making medical services more accessible, especially for those living in rural or underserved areas. By reducing travel costs and waiting times, telehealth enhances convenience and continuity of care, particularly for patients with chronic illnesses or those requiring post-hospitalizations follow-up. It also supports real-time monitoring of symptoms and treatment progress, allowing for timely interventions and improved health outcomes. During the COVID-19 pandemic, telehealth became an essential tool in maintaining access to healthcare services while minimizing the risk of infections and ensuring the safety of both patients and provider. Mobile health refers to the use of mobile phones, tablets, and other wireless devices to support healthcare delivery and health promotions. It enables pregnant women to track prenatal appointments and receive personalized health reminders, while also assisting in chronic diseases management by monitoring blood pressure, glucose level, and medication adherence. Mobile health applications provide automated vaccination reminders for both children and adults, helping improve immunization coverage. Moreover, it encourages health self-management and patient empowerment by giving individuals easy access to health information and personalized feedback through real-time communications between clients and healthcare providers. Mobile health enhances accessibility, promotes preventive care, and strengthens the overall efficiency of community health system. Health information systems are digital platforms designed to collect, store, manage, and transmit health information to support decision-making and efficient service delivery. This system integrates patient records, disease surveillance, data, and health statistics, enabling a comprehensive view of community health. Health information system improves the accuracy and timeless of health reports, which strengthen monitoring and evaluation processes. They also play a key role in health planning and policy formulations by providing reliable, real-time data that guides evidence-based actions. Additionally, health information systems facilitate resource allocations, ensuring that health programs are targeted where they are most needed, while also promoting transparency and accountability in public health management and service delivery. Social media and online campaigns for health educations and promotions serve as a powerful tools for sharing health educations, health informations, promoting healthy behavior, and engaging communities in public health initiative. They increase health awareness through accessible and creative content such as posts, infographics, and videos that captures public interest. Social media also encourage interactive communications between health professionals and the public, fostering real-time feedback and discussion. It is particularly useful for public health campaigns like vaccination drives, disease preventions, uh, wellness advocacy. Moreover, social media helps dispel myths and misinformation by providing credible, evidence-based information. So, by reaching youth and other hard-to-reach populations, is strengthening the community participations and support inclusive health educations and promotions. Community data dashboard for local health monitoring and policy planning that visualize local health data to enhance monitoring, transparency, and informed decision making. They display the real-time indicators such as disease trends, vaccination coverage, and maternal and child health statistics, enabling the local leaders and health workers to make timely, evidence-based decisions. By presenting the data in clear and accessible formats, community dashboard promote public awareness and community participations in tracking health progress and outcomes. They also play a vital role in early detections and response to potential outbreaks, allowing the communities to act swiftly and effectively. Ultimately, this dashboard foster data-driven governance, accountability, and collaborations within the local health system, contributing to more responsive and sustainable community health development. What is the role of the community health nurse in the e-health? Plays multiple vital roles in implementations of e-health to enhance the health delivery or healthcare delivery and promote digital inclusions. As an educator, the nurse teaches clients how to use digital health tools such as telehealth platforms, mobile health apps, and online health resources to manage their well-being effectively. As an advocate, the nurse ensures the equitable access to e-health technologies, addressing the barriers such as internet connectivity, digital literacy, and affordability. In the role of data manager, the nurse is responsible for collecting, analyzing, and protecting health data, ensuring accuracy, confidentiality, and ethical handling of information. As collaborator, the nurse works closely with interdisciplinary teams to utilize IT systems that support coordinated and efficient health care. Acting as a change of agent, the nurse leads initiatives that promote adoptions of e-health innovations within the communities and health institutions. Finally, as the researcher, the nurse leverages digital data to support evidence-based practice and community health research, contributing to improve outcomes and information's health policy and development. Information technologies significantly enhance efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility in community health by streamlining communications, improving data management, and facilitating coordinated care. For nurses, being digitally literate and adaptable to emerging technologies is essential in developing modern, patient-centered services. The use of e-health tools empower patients by providing them with access to reliable health information and opportunities to participate actively in their own care. However, these digital transformations also bring ethical responsibilities, particularly in safeguarding data privacy, confidentiality, and equitable access to technology. The integrations of IT into healthcare practices support the goals of the Universal Healthcare Act and aligns with the Department of Health's digital transformation strategy, ensuring that technology-driven innovation contribute to inclusive, efficient, and sustainable health system for all the communities. To advance in health integrations in community health nursing, several key strategies must be prioritized. First, it is essential to strengthen nurse training in digital literacy and health informatics to ensure competence in using emerging technologies. Second, upgrading digital infrastructure in rural health units will utilize connectivity and access to electronic system. Third, fostering collaborations among government agencies, private institutions, and academic sector can accelerate e-health innovations and implementations. Fourth, robust data protections and cybersecurity measures must enforce to safeguard patient information and maintain public trust. Fifth, inclusivity should remain a priority by making e-health accessible to remote and underserved communities, bridging digital divides. Lastly, continuous monitoring and evaluation of e-health programs are vital to measure effectiveness, guide improvements, and ensure sustainability in delivering quality community health services. And that's it for our topic for information technology and community health. And these are the references if you want to read more regarding our topic. Thank you for listening.